Hello, girlfriend, and today we're gonna play some more Angry Bird Star Wars. So now we're gonna go on to the good guy side on level 11. Yeah, level 11. Hello. Oh, it's on Yoda now. Yoda. Well, since now we're back in the past, which means Yoda's way much younger. Okay, they're dead. That's cheesy. Okay. Yoda does a lot of stuff. Wait, what's... Oh, okay. Whatever. And we get a lot of points. Yup. Ba-doom. Getting a lot of points like always. Go to the next level. Are you serious? Some more ads. Oh my god. What is it with ads these days? Okay. Let's see what it has here. Go! Boom! Okay, that's not what I had in mind. That was weird. I saw like an Angry Bird with a Jason mask. Okay, we up in the air. How do we do this one? This one's hard. Okay, let's just try again. See? Saw that Angry Bird with something on his face. How do we do it? It's Pokemon style. Boom. Bam. Okay. Good work. At least you destroyed the sign. Oh yeah. And bam. Nope, epic fail. Epic fail. Oh yeah. Boom. Spin. Spin. Nope. I don't know who is he. Who are you? Okay. Boom. Yes. Oh. Almost, but let's just order Angry Bird. Order Yoda. Fake Yoda. Oh my god, he destroyed 2 of them. Okay, that's pretty good. For a beginner. Boom, let's kill that Angry Bird. Pig. Are you serious, bro? Bro, I lost. This must be a hard one. Totally. Okay, you only killed the Angry Bird. That's... Oh god. No, Yoda! That's a bitch. Poor Yoda. I didn't get a chance to see his face. Okay, he's back in his team again. What's this? We can use one of these dudes. Let's use... You Obi-Wan Kenobi. Except he's way younger. Yeah. Okay, they're defeated. That's good. Here's another one. Okay, let's use this dude. This little dude name. Okay, come on, yep, and he's dead. Yeah! We rule. Okay, 2 Angry Birds left, and I think it's gonna get 3 stars. Please. Man, that was close. Okay, let's turn off the volume. Okay. Ooh. Oh, there's a lot of stuff here. A lot of people I don't know. I didn't even know those people. I never played Angry Birds. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is gonna be a little tricky. I think we gotta go over here, and then we gotta go bouncy, like here. Kill this piggy. Kill that piggy. Kill that piggy. And kill that piggy. Kill it. Kill the pig. Okay, That must feel like an RKO to that bird. Come on, kill it. Kill him. Kill it. Hit the TNT. Just hit the TNT. TNT is just what I want to see. Boo. B. La. And epic fail. He missed. Come on. Why you miss? This guy sucks. Okay, this guy needs to do... Yoda, you need to go to lightsaber school. Oh, hit the TNT. Oh, yeah, he hit the TNT, and almost every pig died, except for that little pig. He's still there, he's laughing at my face. Well, let's use this one. What does this one do? This one. Okay, what does it do? Okay, this one's a little lame. I don't know how this is gonna help. Let's try. What? Okay, let's use another one. Let's use OP1. No. Oh well, at least he landed next to his friend. Aw, they're hugging. Okay, let's use one that can shoot. Let's use the princess. What does she do? I'll just tap, whatever. Bam. Oh! Get over here. Bam. He died. That's pretty good, but no birds survived. Poor birdies. Oh man, the birds, they didn't make it. Oh well, at least the princess was in it. And you. I don't know who he is. I don't know who he is. Okay, let's do some more Angry Birds because Angry Birds is too awesome. This time I'm gonna use Yoda because Yoda's too cool. I like Yoda because he's a green lightsaber. He's the only one with the green lightsaber. Wait, also Luke, use the Force. I think he had a green lightsaber. I don't know. I'm not a big Star Wars fan, okay? I don't know a lot about Star Wars, okay? Okay, Yoda died for no reason. I don't know why Yoda died. Okay, let's see here. Go Yoda. Okay, and they're dead. Yes, at least he got one coin. And the blocks come down. Well, only the circle one came down. The square one? That one just stayed up there. Okay, Yoda is being awesomer. Almost. Not fully. Okay. Level 15. Let's see what's... Oh my god, Lunchables, really? Really, why the Lunchables? Grr. Boom, bam. Blah, blah. Hit the TNT. Boom, yes, the TNT. Oh, we were supposed to hit the TNT. Oh, man. Okay, let's try this. Again, boom, bam. Okay, that was not supposed to happen. I'll try again, but except let's use the princess, the princessa. Okay. And get over here. Okay, then that did not make it come over here. It made it go away. Get out of my face, you TNT. Okay, let's kill this pig. Oh, die, Mr. Pig. Oh, God. And I've been launched to the other side. Really? Really? Okay. Oh, let's go up, and then we can land on TNT. Okay, we're not gonna land on TNT, but who cares? Let's just kill the pigs. My God, Yoda, why do you suck? Why do you have to have the worst move ever? This move sucks, except for the lightsaber. Okay, it's TNT. Wow, that must have killed all the pigs. Oh wait, it didn't. Oh my God, Yoda, you suck. Why do you suck at being like a Jedi? Come on. I mean, just do something. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yoda, you better kill a pig or then I'm gonna explode and make sure that TNT lands here. Oh my god. I was about to say that make that TNT land on his house, but you know. Ooh. Okay. That seems cool, but what is it about? Okay, never mind, I give up. Okay, Yoda, let's see if you got them awesome moves. Like me, wolves have awesome moves, so do dragons and monkeys. And Illuminati and slime. Well, not slimes, they're too musty to have some awesome tricks. Okay, let's see here. Boom. Hadoo. Hadoo, yep, pig's dead. All we need is one more. He's all the way over there, laughing at us. He's making fun of the birdies. How dare you make fun of us? Kill him! Just use one. But you. Yes. Let's use him. Good thing. I'm smart. Too smart. Never underestimate a wolf. Fire! Yeah, he died. We did it. Thanks to my awesome knowledge. Yeah. Okay, this guy. I forgot who you are. Yoda, yes, Yoda. I almost forgot his name. Oh my god, we're almost finished with the level. Let's just see what we got here. Where are we? Oh, okay. Why is there TNT down here? Why? Okay. Hoya! Boom. Go up. Destroy their dumb flag. Where did he go? Oh, he died? Okay. Oh wait, we can hit the TNT. Let's hit the TNT. See what this do. Oh! Oh, that worked. Oh, okay. Thanks, Yoda, the other Yoda that failed. I think he knows the secret of their weakness. Hiya! Okay. Is that bringing it down? Downtown. Okay, let's see what this does. Okay, they're gone down. I don't know why they gone down. I think a breeze of air just pulled them down like... Okay, let's do their weakness. Bam, that's your weakness. And they're going down. Okay. The pigs are dead. Okay, let's see what we got here, Mr. Pig. Okay, that's their weakness right there. Glass. We need to destroy the glass. Okay, we gotta start again. We need to destroy the glass house. No, not actually a glass house, it's just glass. Okay, down comes the pigos. Okay, the pigs aren't coming down. Why? Are the pigs too heavy? I thought the pigs were fat. Pigs are fat because they need to stop eating stuff. I forgot what pigs eat. What do pigs actually eat in real life? I don't know, who cares? Boom! Okay, he almost destroyed it. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, go back down. Yes, we only have one more Yoda. What? You can't... Oh my god. Man, these birds suck. They don't have a lot of stuff with them, man. Boom. Bam. Blah. Bling. And then... Okay, I thought the other Yoda went... Wait, okay. No! That's scary. Go up! Grr! Come on. Okay. If only we could... No! Oh my god! Okay, this is the last try. Okay, we only got one chance. One chance, and we're gonna make it. I believe in you, Yoda! Yes, we did it! And down comes the pigs with the TNT. Are you serious? Okay. The princess. Okay, we need to do this. Diamond. Oh, pretty. Oh, the princess died from a block of TNT. She died. The princess had a lovely life, except she did not fate her dream of becoming a Jedi. Goodbye, princess. Yeah, more coins. Yeah, we got some more coinies. Why are there pigs driving that car? But I don't know. Who cares? I hope you guys enjoy this video. I mean, playing Angry Birds Star Wars, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.